Friday Motivation Series, the pick-me-up for women over 40. Consistency beats perfection. Hi ladies, welcome to your Friday reflection. I want to talk to you about something that every woman on a transformation journey struggles with, no matter how long she's been doing this. It's that voice that whispers, you missed a session, you didn't eat perfectly, you've ruined it now. Sound familiar? I want to stop you right here, because you haven't ruined a thing. You're not failing, you're human. And being human means life gets messy. You'll have off days, off meals, flat energy, or moments where motivation disappears. But none of that determines your result. What does is what you do next. The truth is, the women who create lasting results, they're not the ones who do everything perfectly. They're the ones who keep showing up, especially when it's not perfect. Because perfection is a trap. It's all or nothing thinking disguised as standards. It's that belief that if you can't give 100%, it's not worth doing. But that's the very thing that keeps you stuck, starting over and over again. So I want you to imagine something. Picture two versions of you over the next 12 weeks. One says, I'll start fresh Monday every time I fall off. She's all in or she's all out. Her results stay stuck on repeat. The other version says, okay, that didn't go to plan, but I'm still in this and I'm still showing up. She does something, anything, to keep her momentum alive. She trains even when it's not perfect. She eats well most of the time, not all the time. And she celebrates every small win because she knows they stack up. Which version do you think reaches her goal? Exactly, because success isn't built on perfect days. It's built on hundreds of imperfect ones, done with consistency, patience, and belief. So if you've had a week that didn't go the way you'd hoped, if you felt scattered, tired, unmotivated, if you thought, I'm not sure I can do this, I want you to breathe for a moment. This journey isn't about being perfect. It's about learning to trust yourself again, to know that even when you're not firing on all cylinders, you've got your own back, that you can adapt, reset, and move forwards. And that mindset, that ability to stay in the game is what creates real transformation. So here's your mini action for today. Find one tiny win, not 10, just one. Maybe it's 5 push-ups before you shower. Maybe it's a 10-minute walk. Maybe it's getting that water bottle filled up again. Maybe it's journaling how proud you are for even being here, doing this. Then I want you to celebrate it. Literally say to yourself, that was a win, I showed up. Because that small act rewires your brain to see progress instead of failure. It teaches you that momentum doesn't come from doing it all. It comes from doing something. So as you head into the weekend, hold this truth close. Perfection burns out. Consistency compounds. You're not here to be perfect. You're here to build a body, a mindset, and a level of self-trust that lasts. And that starts right now with whatever you can do today. You've got this. You're doing so much better than you think. And this week, it's already a win because you're still here, still showing up, and still becoming her.